Welcome to the installation guide for the Cherry's Industrial Equipment PD-9000 Pallet Dispenser. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need to know, from site preparation and assembly to final safety checks, ensuring a smooth and secure installation. Before starting installation, review all safety procedures outlined in your PD-9000 Owner's Manual. Only trained and authorized personnel should install or service this equipment. Always wear steel-toe safety shoes, gloves, and safety glasses. Never remove safety guards, and always confirm the work area is well lit, clean, and clear of debris. Gather all recommended tools before beginning. Verify your workspace allows at least 150 square feet and a minimum ceiling height of 29 feet. The dispenser should be at least 8 inches from any floor seams and 36 inches from walls or aisles. Using your forklift and lifting bars, carefully move base unit B and base unit BR into position back to back. Remove T and TR towers from shipping pallet. Keep all hardware from the side panels for reinstallation later. Join both base units using 3/4 inch by 2 3/4 inch bolts, but do not tighten yet. Next, connect T1 and T2 towers together and T1R and TR2 towers together, and middle gate sections for both front and rear units. Begin with the 2-piece gate handle, then tie rod linkages, and finally the pallet gate connecting bar. Repeat this process for tower units T2 and T2R. Use the yellow safety bars and lifting straps at all times for stability. Ensure the inside edges of all tower sections are flush before tightening. Confirm all lifting and rigging. Add tower assembly to base unit B and base unit BR. Align mounting holes using long punches and secure with provided hardware. Follow OSHA 1910 and 1926 guidelines. Tighten down all base unit securing bolts. Tighten all hardware. Install the gate lever handles and magnetic safety switches, maintaining a 3/16-inch gap. Connect the electrical whip from base unit B to base unit B's pump motor. Secure to D-ring with wire tie. Reconnect the electrical motor whip from base BR to main electrical panel following the wiring diagram. In the electrical schematic, connect the communication and power cables from the 8-port to 4-port I/O modules. Once all assemblies are secured, drill anchor holes as specified in the owner's manual. Anchor the machine to the floor using the provided wedge anchors. After anchoring, remove the front support bar. Have a qualified electrician connect to the power source, operate in manual mode, test functions, check all sensors, and ensure smooth operation. The PD-9000 installation is now complete. Before loading pallets, ensure all safety gates and interlocks function properly. Always perform daily visual inspections for leaks, debris, and proper emergency stop function. If you ever have questions, need replacement parts, or require service support, contact Cherry's Industrial at 877-350-2748 or by email at service@cherrysyn.com. Thanks for watching this installation guide for the PD-9000 Pallet Dispenser. For additional training or service support, contact Cherry's Industrial Equipment. And remember, safety and precision are key to smooth warehouse operations.